What is this? This is something I found at the store. It is a product of Slovakia, and I'm trying snacks from every country in the world. So this one is called Krivanchi, and it's got a picture of a peanut on it. Okay, so any peanut allergies out there, avoid this one. Okay, it's like a big wafery chocolate bar thing. Mmm. Mmm. Oh yeah. Oh, this is super good. No, this is super good. This is like, it's like peanut butter chocolate wafer. This is awesome. Mmm.